So Alex is still dizzy, and you might be too. Now the question is, how do we fix or recover from a VR hangover, and more importantly, how can we design VR that does not leave users like Alex feeling this way? Note that the problems like system calibration or user exposure could also be the reasons, but I'm going to talk about design because that's what my channel says. Let's start with current solutions. First is 20-20-20 rule. For every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. And why do so? I'm going to explain. This helps you to repair vergence accommodation conflict. It reduces eye strain, encourages blinking, and rehydrates your eyes. If you want to know what is vergence accommodation conflict, go watch the part 1 of this video. The link is in the description below. Now let's talk gradual exposure. Especially for new users, it's better to start by providing shorter experience. Take breaks. Take breaks whenever you feel like it and listen to your body. I think this works better than the first two solutions that I've given. Whenever you take off your headset, close your eyes. It can ease the transaction back to the real world. Readaptation. There are two main ways to recover from VR hangover. One is natural decay and the other is active readaptation. Natural decay is just relaxing with minimal movement, eyes closed. Let your body settle and realign at its own pace. Active readaptation. It is real-world tasks that recalibrate your sensory system, especially your visual and motor coordination. This can speed up your recovery. Examples like peg and hole exercises. That is, insert pegs into holes with precise hand movements. This enhances your hand and eye coordination and recalibrating your brain's sense of space. Design solutions that I think could work. Note that these are not limited to helping with VR hangover, but also other symptoms like motion sickness, nausea, etc. Designed for shorter experiences. Longer VR sessions increase the chances of inducing sickness. So keep sessions brief, especially for the first-time users. I get it, it's not possible all the time, right? So in case you want to build longer experience, then provide a sitting experience. Standing VR may feel immersive, but it increases the physical strain. Seated experiences reduces balance-related fatigue and postural instability, especially useful in longer play or testing sessions. Did you know that if multiple tests need to be done, it is recommended for the users to test VR with 2 to 5 days of gap for better results and adaptation? Locus of control. Let the user coordinate their movement and navigation. Why? Great question. Because when you control your own motion, the brain can anticipate the experiences. When motion is forced on the user, the sensory conflict increases. And finally, minimize visual acceleration. The vestibular system responds to acceleration, not constant speed. That means sudden turns or speed boosts equal to discomfort, and smooth or slow motions which are more natural is less sickening. So that is about VR hangover. Fun facts. Did you know that experts and VR centers recommend avoiding driving for at least 30 to 45 minutes after using VR? This is because EEG studies show that the full neural recovery takes 11.5 minutes on average, and no human is alike. As designers, it is important for us to know what does and does not work for our users. How do we design reflects what we want our users to experience. While keeping it innovative, let's keep our users safe because mindful design isn't optional, it's essential. Own every design, make it count.